As the title of this video suggests, in this video I am going to share recipe of a no-bake vegan cake. Yes, you heard it right. It is a no-bake cake and hence we will be using the help of agar-agar powder to give the cake a specific shape. Now the agar-agar powder is obtained from a seaweed and it's a vegan product and you can safely use in all the places wherever you are using gelatin, which is a non-vegan product. This cake has 3 layers. The bottommost layer is made of dry fruit layer. The second layer is made using cashew jaggery powder, beetroot to give pink color and vanilla extract, and the topmost layer I have used cashew sugar, vanilla extract. Okay, so I don't like to use sugar at all, but because my daughter wanted a white color topmost layer, I had to use sugar. I can use either stevia or maple syrup to give this white color, but I did not have any of them, so I had to use sugar. Sugar is really bad for our health. Sugar is what oil is in the fat section. Sugar is it for the carbohydrate section. Both sugar and oil are devoid of any nutrition and they are only empty calories. The moment you start eating them, you will start putting on weight, and that's why you should avoid them in your food products and just throw away both the things from your house. That's what I would like to tell you, and more about this recipe as we move ahead with the video. So that's the end of the educational part. Let's go ahead. First we are going to prepare the base of 10-inch cake. For that we will need 250 gram of almonds, 63 grams of broken walnuts and 125 grams of pitted or seedless soft dates. Almonds are the hardest to grind from all the dry fruits that we have taken for making the bottommost layer. So we will be grinding them first in the food processor and it will take a little longer time to grind. This is the powder consistency we want for the layer. Add the broken walnuts and grind them well. Now we'll add the seedless soft dates. So our base is ready now. Now I'll show you how the base consistency should be. When you press the mixture in your hand like this, it should come together and hold like this. When you get a mixture like this, crumbly mixture, then you can easily understand that your base is ready. Now let's place the 10-inch ring to give the structure to our cake. Now let's add the dry fruit mixture as the base of the cake. Let's spread the mixture evenly and press it with firm hands like this, and also let's make sure that the borders are sealed properly so that the semi-solid layer which we are going to pour on top of this layer doesn't ooze out from the sides. For the second layer you will need 500 grams of cashews. This can be split cashews or very coarsely grinded cashews are also fine, and you have to make sure that you measure the cashew before soaking them. Now let's add the cashews in the grinding jar. We will grind them almost without any water, and this is how it looks like after grinding. Very coarsely, whatever little water is there along with the soaked cashew, that much is enough to grind them. Now I am adding 500 grams of jaggery powder. This is in 1:1 ratio. So if cashews are 500 gram, then jaggery powder will be 500 grams. In 1 cup water I have added 2 tablespoons of agar-agar powder and bring it to boil. The agar-agar water mixture I have added to the jaggery powder cashew mixture and added 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we will grind all these things together and make a smooth paste. Try to make the paste as thick as possible so that it stays firm on the cake. Now 10 grams of grated beetroot will give natural pink color to the layer. After grinding, pour the mixture in the 10-inch cake ring and spread it evenly. The agar-agar powder will help the layer to firm up. We will place the plate inside the refrigerator for minimum of 3 hours, and only after that we will put the second layer, white layer. The white layer is ready and it is prepared with all the same ingredients as the first layer, which is the pink layer. But yes, we have not used the beetroot, and also instead of jaggery we have used sugar, because jaggery will give a brownish color to the layer, and hence to have white color we have used sugar. Now for the cake to set fully, we will place this plate inside the refrigerator for 1 hour. After 1 hour, it's time to demold the cake, and to demold we will insert a sharp pointed knife on the edges in the spaces between the cake and the ring, and let it pass through like this very carefully so that the cake gets completely detached from the mold. And after that we will try to remove the ring or the mold, and it will come out clean. Now is the time to do the writing part on the cake, and for that I have taken cashews which were soaked for 10 minutes along with jaggery powder, both in same proportion, and grinded them well just to get the right consistency. If you add more water, then the writing won't come correctly, and so make sure that you add as much little water as possible. Also, I added half teaspoon of cocoa powder and 2-3 drops of vanilla extract. For the pink color icing, I use beetroot, cashew, vanilla extract. Depending on your liking, you can add various fruit toppings. My daughter likes strawberry and kiwi, so I have decorated the cake with strawberry and kiwis. So here is our no-bake vegan cake, which is made of almost all the natural ingredients. What can be a better cake than this for kid's birthday party? Do try it out and let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you. Stay tuned to this channel for more such healthy recipes. Also let me know in the comment section what recipes would you like to know. Till then, bye and take care. See you in the next video.